want this? It's for you. I think Sasso wants it more than you. There's a present robber in the neighborhood.
And he's wearing a tie.
Dingle, get it, that's yours! Give Dingle another one.
Well, since Sasso got Dingle, here's Sasso present. Oh yeah, enjoy Sasso's. He's lost out.
Watch that he's not opening those treats.
Look at this fucking kid. They're getting better at it more every year. Every year they're getting better.
And here's Lexi.
Lexi during festivities.
Okay, Brandon, they're gonna open them completely. Get the bag. Sass, don't eat the presents now.
Oh no! Just stop! He's right in there, Steve. Did he get his teeth in there?
Yeah, he won't go there.
Oh no, you have to go in Ziplocs. Oh, Dingle didn't even see what Sass got.
What did you get, Sass? What did you get there? What is that? What is that? What did you got there? Huh? What is that? What is that?
Oh, that's a really cool toy.
Lexi, you can play with that one.
There you go.
Oh, take the plastic piece off.
There you go.
Chaos. Next. Oh, Dingle, you got the light up ball? I don't werewolf at Pickles.
I'm going to give them each one so they aren't fighting over them.
But pull those treats
Here you go,
away.
Ding. Sass, 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 Sass. Here you go. Picky. Here you go. It's a race to the end. I know, they're catnip. Seriously. Ever seen anything like it?
This is the funniest thing. Yeah, I saw the same thing last year. Hilarious thing too.
Oh, Brandon Dingle's right into the cookies.
Oh, they all are.
Brandon, no, he's not.
Give it to me.
Brandon.
Drop it.
Brandon
What?
Dingle is eating the whole bag of cookies. Careful, they're all gonna spill.
Oh, Dingle.
I think he's probably eating some wrapping paper too.